Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at Chanel's 25C collection. It is in boutiques right now, and I am just so excited to look at it. First of all, I can't believe that we're looking at anything that starts with 25. Like I can't wrap my mind around that fact right now, but we're just going to move along and we're going to look at 25C. This is the cruise collection for Chanel, and we already know that the cruise is always super fun. So if you guys want to see what Chanel's 25C collection has in store for us, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesday. No, I don't. No, I don't. Oh my God. Will I ever stop this? Will I ever get this under control? I post whenever I can. I do my best. And really, that's all I can promise you, okay? So if you're cool with that, then definitely subscribe and definitely follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Definitely give me a follow over there. I'm trying. It's all I can give you right now is I'm trying. But with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. Obviously, we're gonna start with handbags because it's me that we're talking about, okay? So let's start with flat bags. I love the mini top handle. You guys know I love the mini top handle. I have had 2 variations in my life. So it's one of my favorite bags that Chanel makes. This one is obviously kind of different. The actual top handle has like enamel chains, whereas usually the top handle is just a leather top handle. And this also has like enamel hardware all throughout it. I do like this shade of green a lot. This price is wild. It's actually wild. It's insane in so many ways. I like this bag, but not that much. Not that much. I'm not the biggest fan of tweed bags. You guys know this already. Like, I feel like I always have a problem with every single tweed that Chanel does. This is no exception. I don't like this at all. This looks like a bag that Alana would see. Alana is my 7-year-old daughter. Would see and would lose her mind. Like, she will need this immediately in her collection. I'm also not 7, and so no. This is a flat bag with top handle again. This looks like it's very different from the regular mini top handle. This, first of all, doesn't even look like it's a mini size. It looks pretty big. The top handle is like very movable. Is it connected with this little knot thing on the side? I think it is. I wonder if you can undo that knot. I feel like I would have to see this in person because it's very confusing to me. Can you take the top handle off? Because if you can, then it's giving classic flap, right? But then also, does that just leave like a gaping hole on top of the bag? I don't know. This one looks confusing to me, so it's not my favorite. And again, 6,400 is too many hundred. This bag, on the other hand, I really don't like. It's definitely too expensive, but it's also just unattractive. I mean, listen, you guys know these are all my opinions, my own specific opinions. You don't have to share my opinion. It's okay. That's what makes the world so beautiful, okay? So if you love this bag, if you literally already have it, please go off. I hope you wear it to death. I really do. This looks kind of cute. This is a small flat bag. Are those sequins? It is sequins. $6,800. Not bad for a sequins bag, okay? Not bad. I'm not really into sequins that much because you guys know I'm boring. I'm boring as hell. But I will say, I think these, because they're just like black and silver, like you can't go wrong with that. That matches everything. That's going to look good pretty much no matter what. So I do like this. And again, 6,800, like that could be a lot worse. We're talking about Chanel here, okay? This could be a lot worse. We have this enamel bag again, but this time with gray. I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like the enamel is just, it throws me off. It looks like a clay project. That's what it looks like. You know, when you're in like art class and you're making those clay things and then they have to go into the, what is it called? The kiln. I haven't taken art in like 12 years or something like that. No, longer. If you know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment because am I crazy? Was I the only one who did that? I will say the pink is slightly less offensive. Wait a second. This is not even a turn lock. Did you guys know that this was not even a turn lock? It's like when you have faux pockets in your jeans, like don't do that. Give me the actual pocket, please. Another flat bag with sequins. I definitely don't like this one as much as the other one. Like what the hell's going on here? This is a disaster. This could have been put together by a kindergartner, okay? I don't like it at all. You can't even see the seat. I don't like it at all. Here is the mini 22. And this is in like a metallic icy blue. Like this is giving Elsa from Frozen right now. I don't hate this. I wouldn't personally buy it. I'm not like the biggest fan of metallics unless it's like metallic silver or metallic gold. I feel like those are the only 2 exceptions, and even those have to be done perfectly for me to even get on board. I do like the mini 22. Obviously, you guys know I had one, and I will link that unboxing right up here. Is this the one that has the push pin closure yet? Because I know that they used to not come with one. The one that I had did not have a push pin closure, but I know that they were going to start coming out with them with push pin closures, because otherwise it doesn't close. It literally doesn't close. So I don't see any type of push pin closure here, or magnetic closure or anything. I don't see anything. If it's magnetic, obviously you wouldn't see it, right? You wouldn't see it if it was magnetic. So maybe there is a magnet. We also have a metallic silver. This one is just not one that I would go for. I do like metallic silver over metallic blue, but this metallic silver, I don't know. It's not doing what I need it to do. Here is another 22. This is in the small size. I like the color of this. It's like a light gray. This reminds me of the color that I liked in my last Chanel collection review video. I'll link that up here. It's like off-white, but like has like a tiny little bit of color. Like it's not white. Listen, the 22 has grown on me. I will say I used to hate it so much, like with such a strong, aggressive passion. You guys know this already, okay? I've made reels, I've made videos, like we have spoken about the 22. I definitely don't feel as strongly about it as I once did, but so I'm still like not on the market for one, okay? This large Hobo bag is just not it. It's just not it. No, absolutely not. And it's $5,500. If you were going to spend $5,500, the Mini 22 is definitely the better route. Is this a picnic bag? Like a picnic basket? Are we packing PB&Js and Chanel now? Is that what we're doing? Why are we coming out with crochet bags in November? That's what I'm not understanding here. It's November, and $6,900 for a crochet bag is like, someone needs to go to jail for that. Someone has to answer for this. This is quite possibly, and I know this is a bold statement because I've really disliked some bags over the years. This is quite possibly the worst Chanel bag that I've ever seen in my entire life. It's like the 22 had like a deformed baby with a classic flap, and like it just came out looking just all wrong. Just all wrong. I feel like that one pocket with the turn lock, why is that even there? Did we just put that there because Chanel likes to put turn locks there? I bet you that's not even a functioning turn lock, because we've been duped before. You know, it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. It's really not. It's really not the worst thing I've ever seen. It's also $5,100 for cotton canvas. So take that and do with that what you will, okay? It's also very, very light. I don't think that this would hold up very well at all with like constant use. And like, why else do you get a Deauville if it's not for constant use? So yeah, it's not one that's on my wish list, but if it's on yours, it's on yours. Is this just a backpack version of the super hideous bag that we saw earlier? I'm thinking yes, and I'm also thinking ew. Oh, good. In case you wanted that disgusting backpack in a different color, they have it in a metallic silver, which doesn't make it look weird or, you know, space-like at all. So there it is. Chanel kills it with the evening bags. They're just so out of my price range. And here's the first one out of my price range. This is Strass. Oh, look at it. It looks like it's so shiny. And it's price upon request, which means I can't afford that shit. But damn. We've got a perfume bottle. I think Chanel comes out with these like pretty regularly, but this I think is like a different colorway. It's red with yellow on top and blue on the back. I don't hate it. This kind of looks like a bar of soap. Like, am I lying? This looks like Dove. I like it better in the pink for sure, but it just still gives me bar of soap vibe. I was so prepared to like it, but no. Ew! What the hell color is this? Khaki. That doesn't look like khaki. That looks like khaki is what it looks like. That's not it. I don't like this color whatsoever. I'd rather it look like I'm carrying a bar of soap than look like I'm carrying Dookie around. Okay, so no. No. Here's the thing. If this bag wasn't so damn long, this could have been a cute little mini bag or micro bag. Like, this could have been okay. I actually don't hate the whole top handle situation. I really don't. I think it looks pretty cool. It's like definitely different to anything that we've ever seen before. I like it, but why is it so long? Like, why is it like, what are you carrying? That looks like, is it a pencil case? I'm not understanding. One thing about me is I'm just never going to be a ballet flats kind of girl. I just don't see a solitary thing that is appealing about them. Nothing about this style of shoe makes me want to spend $1,200 on it. There's nothing about it that's exciting. I'm definitely gonna look at the earrings because out of anything that I would like from Chanel, it would be an earring. I'm also kind of more of an earring for costume jewelry. No, costume jewelry for earrings kind of person. For necklaces, bracelets, and rings, I'm more likely to buy like fine jewelry. So I'm gonna check in earrings, even though it looks like I'm not wearing any earrings today, but I swear I'm wearing one. Just one. Yeah, I don't hate these. Let me see the size. Oh, and they're like a nice medium. This could go with like a lot of things. I like that pair. I also think these are cool, but I have to see the size. They look pretty small. Oh no, they're not that small. I also like these. $6.50. Very nice. I like these a lot. These are like very classic earrings, but they still make a statement. They still stand out. They're not like just those little CC studs that everybody has and you can't even see. Wait, what is she carrying? What is that? Is that a bag? Why didn't I see that? Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on. I found it. It's a long necklace. I like this. I like this a lot. It's price upon request, so she will not be coming home with me, but I really like this. This is like if you're going out for like a gala or something, this is your bag, okay? Do you need to fit anything in it? I hope not, because you won't. I like really want to find, does anybody know the price of this? If you know the price, let me know in the comments because I want to know. Because I love this. Like I truly, this is the standout piece for me right here. This is the one. Well, we're gonna end it on a high note here because that was just it. Like I can't imagine anything else. I mean, we went through all the bags, you guys. So what are my thoughts? First of all, that long necklace, that's price upon request, 100% the winner. If you have the opportunity to get that long necklace that is actually like a bag, but it's a long necklace, you're gonna need to get it. You're gonna need to do it. I think there are some costume jewelry earrings that are definitely worth taking a look at. And that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else. I didn't think this was a very exciting collection at all. Like this is definitely not one of my favorites, but that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments, what are your guys' thoughts about this collection? Is there anything that stood out to you? Anything that you're gonna get? Like the long necklace? Will I be beating this into the ground? Yes, I will. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is this like your favorite collection? Is there anything that you've already added? Let me know your thoughts. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Testing, 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 testing. I'm testing, testing. I don't have rings on.